How would you like to discover the ideal solution to your biggest problem? You're just moments away from doing that, so keep watching.
3 simple steps to lose weight without dieting. You can lose weight without dieting. Eating fewer calories than your body burns will shed off those unwanted pounds. Yes, your calorie intake is relevant in losing weight, but the kind of food that you put in your mouth is what matters most. Experts say that you can lose weight without dieting by simply changing your lifestyle. Depriving yourself of your body's much-needed nutrients is never the answer. Fad diets are designed to fail from the beginning. You may lose weight in the first few weeks, but you will only regain those lost pounds once you stop the diet. Therefore, fad diets defeat the purpose of why you went on a diet in the first place: to shed off those unwanted pounds permanently. It is best to do it slowly. Make simple yet profound adjustments to your lifestyle. To lose weight without dieting means that you can still eat most of the foods that you normally eat. However, you should be more careful about the kind of food that you eat. You should also focus on burning more calories than you consume. Here are 3 easy steps to help you lose weight without dieting. Lose weight without dieting tip number 1. Start doing more. A pound of fat is equivalent to 3,500 calories. So by maintaining your calorie intake and increasing your calories burned, you can achieve weight loss. Incorporate an exercise regimen that you enjoy. Try walking around your neighborhood or running in the park. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily of any physical activity will make a difference. Of course, more is better. But something is better than nothing. So make it a habit to lose weight effectively. Lose weight without dieting tip number 2. Choose what you eat. The kind of food you eat is essential in achieving weight loss. Pile up on fruits and vegetables. These foods are not only low in calories but are also very nutritious. Also, choose whole grains over refined carbohydrates. Whole grains are very fibrous and they will fill you up faster. Not only will you end up consuming fewer calories, but you will also reduce your risk of developing heart disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes. Lose weight without dieting tip number 3. Eat breakfast daily. People who eat breakfast every day can lose weight or keep the pounds off effectively. You may have heard that breakfast is the day's most important meal. Well, the truth is, breakfast keeps you going throughout the day. People who skip breakfast end up binging at lunch or dinner. Eating breakfast also jump-starts your metabolism. So start your day right by eating healthy foods for breakfast. These are just 3 of the most important steps to lose weight without dieting. You can still eat your favorite foods. Just remember to choose the healthier versions or eat less of them. That's not dieting health fitness articles, that's just using some common sense. Don't overeat and you can enjoy the foods you like best and still get results. You eat healthy all day. Spinach, chicken, and broccoli. You try all the diets. Keto, paleo, and vegan. You're hungry, you're tired. But every morning, your weight never changes. Until you try this. A newly discovered bizarre tropical fat dissolving loophole that has nothing to do with dieting or exercise. In fact, eating your favorite foods is recommended. Info in the description.
I really hope you found this video useful. Thanks a lot for watching.